Seventh one, we have y is equals to e power 2x here. We need to calculate d square y by dx square into d square x by dy square. See, in first term we need to differentiate 2 times with respect to x, and for the second value we need to differentiate 2 times with respect to y. Okay, actually the given function is somewhat simple one, so the problem is also just simple one, but we need to identify d square y by dx square as well d square x by dy square. Okay, first of all you just start with y is equals to e power 2x. I am going to calculate d square y by dx square. So just differentiate both sides with respect to x one time now. So derivative of y with respect to x is this derivative of e power 2x. And you know, for e power 2x, derivative is e power 2x into derivative of 2x is 2. So 2 into e power 2x is this dy by dx. Okay. So further we need to observe d square y by dx square. So once again we just move for the derivative. Then it is what? D by dx of dy by dx. Just look here. See, we have dy by dx here, and I am differentiating this dy by dx again with respect to x. So d by dx of dy by dx is equals to d by dx of 2 e power 2x. Now this side, d by dx of dy by dx is directly d square y by dx square, and coming to the right side, 2 is constant separated. For e power 2x, again 2 into e power 2x, so this is 4 e power 2x. So d square y by dx square is 4 e power 2x, and that's first part of the problem. Whereas coming to the second part, to calculate this d square x by dy square, we need to differentiate with respect to y. Okay, now since I am going to differentiate with respect to y, I am trying to make x as subject now. Okay, we have y is equals to e power 2x. Simply this is exponential form, send this e to this side, or just simply take logarithm on both sides. You will get log y to the base e is 2x. Okay, and now I am going to differentiate with respect to y. Okay, keep remember we are differentiating with respect to y now. So derivative of log y with respect to y is 1 by y, and here 2 is a constant, and its derivative with respect to y is dx by dy. This is dx by dy, and our task is to find d square x by dy square. So we need to differentiate one more time with respect to y both sides. So this implies d by dy of 1 by y left side, 2 is a constant, and I am differentiating with respect to y, this dx by dy. What to say? The derivative of 1 by y with respect to y is simply what? Minus 1 by y square into, no, this is equals to 2 into d by dy of d square x is d square x by dy square. From there, directly we will get d square x by dy square as minus 1 by 2y square. So this is d square y by dx square, and this is d square x by dy square. Finally, what is our answer? This first part, d square y by dx square is 4 e power 2x. Okay, yeah, 4 e power 2x. See, what I am saying is e power 2x is simply y, right? So I am just rewriting it like 4y. Okay, so this first part of the problem is just 4y, and whereas this second part of the problem is minus 1 by 2y square. 4y into minus 1 by 2y square. So y and y gets cancelled, 2 2's. So finally we have this is equals to minus 2 by y. That's our answer. As per the options, we need to choose minus 2 by y, and y is this e power 2x, right? So if you replace y with e power 2x, we will get minus 2 e power minus 2x. Okay, that's the answer at the end. Have a look.